Yo, okay, so welcome guys back to another YouTube video. Today we're gonna go over my GER-30 win. I'm in a really good mood, so probably because I literally just ate. But we're gonna go over why I took my trade today, the confluences that I had, and yeah, pretty much like what I really saw. So on the 4 hour time frame, I saw that we were bullish. Reason being is because we broke above this high right here. And I saw that we were in a 4 hour fair value gap as well. But I was saying to the guys on the call, like, this pretty much is a confluence, but it's not like a secured confluence, if you get what I'm saying. So like, you know how I enter like wait for price at the fair value getting bullish kind of out. This was still forming, so it didn't really mean much, obviously until now. Um, but yeah, as you can see, we're also at all-time highs, which is mainly another confluence for me to execute and go the way that I did. On the hourly time frame, I saw that we were again bearish because we broke below this low. And I know a lot of you are gonna be like, "Oh, how come you went long if the hourly's bearish?" And main reason is because like I've seen this before. Um, it all goes down to like my experience that I've had, especially with trading GER-30 when it's been at all-time highs. Like I've traded. Actually, no, I didn't trade December. That's a lie, fam. Far to the left, I traded GER-30 when it was at all-time highs. Here, I did that. So like I pretty much used my experience, and really tried to replicate that. Yeah, replicate that into today's trade. So cool. Hourly's bearish, and I saw that we were filled within this hourly fair value gap right here. And I saw that we bullish candle out, which shows a clear retracement. The only thing that really stayed me off is this hourly breaker structure to the downside. From here, I jumped onto the 50-minute time frame. And I had marked out 50-minute highs and lows just because I was open to taking either or side, depending on like the reaction it gave us. So I had marked, actually, wait, let me mark out market open for you guys. So market open 8 a.m. and then we had this high up here, and we had this high up here and high up here. I'm gonna pretty much do bar replay so you can see like really what we would have seen live. I know it's different because it's bar replay, but closest we'll get. Anyways, so market opens. We thought it pushed up for this high. On other brokers it did, but it didn't on mine, so I pretty much ignored it. But I took it into slight account on other brokers. So yeah, we sweep down for the low, and I said to the guys on the call, we're filling this hourly, well, it's part of an hourly, but this 50-minute imbalance. And whilst it was nuking down, I was like, it'd be so good, yeah, if we just wick this. Like, if we able to like just soak back up and wick this, beautiful. Because we tapped in the equilibrium of this fair value gap and swept this low right here. So when I was seeing this, I hopped onto the one. So boom. We wasn't interested until we saw obviously the soak up, which you just saw right here. So we weren't interested in going long until we saw that soak up, but then we saw the soak up and we saw a break of structure to the upside from this high right here. We left behind this 1 minute imbalance here. But one thing that was steering me away was this 50-minute bearish order block. So as you can see, we sweep this high, break below this low. So order block right here. On and just make this purple like it was on the stream. Hop onto the one. We weren't interested just yet, but we had it marked out. So boom, we tap the order block, get the reaction from the order block. We pretty much disrespect this fair value gap, but respect this equilibrium. Literally ever so slightly, but again, like I wanted to make sure like that 50-minute candle was gonna close above that low. So we weren't too fussed about missing here. So skip it. But as you can see, we break to the upside again right here, and we get a fair value gap right here. We get a bullish candle out on top of equilibrium, and here I wasn't too convinced again, just because of the reaction of this bearish order block, like right here. So, you know, it's how it pushed in and then just moved back down. And I was like, oh hell no. So I was, I waited to wait for a little bit more confidence. So I waited for the next candle, which this soaked up into the fair value, get bullish candle out. That's all me. That's me every single day. From every single day, that's me. Me, every single day. So long here, I believe first take profit was literally these equal highs on the 1 minute time frame, literally just slightly underneath a 1-to-1, but you'll see we pretty much get the 1-to-1 anyways because of how the candle really moved, you could say. Wait, did we have one here? I'm pretty sure we had one here and we had another one here. But yeah, so this is pretty much literally like how we formed our bias and pretty much how we used our confluences to execute in this trade. We managed to hit like 3 take profits, as you'll see in this video, and then we get stopped out at break even. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and play it. Boom. So boom, we hit the first take profit, stops now at break even. We come crashing down, come back up, hit the next 2 take profits, which were 2 and 3. And then I said to the guys on the call, you have an option to move your stop loss. It wasn't just here, it was the next candle here. So I said to the guys on the call, you can either move your stop loss here underneath this 5-minute low, or wait, to be specific, I said that if you're in drawdown, you can use this as TP1 and just close all. However, if you're not really in drawdown, you can move your stop either here or underneath this 50-minute low, which should have just helped them out a bit if they were in drawdown. So that was either 2 places they could have moved their stop loss. So I'll go ahead and play it again. So wait, ooh. So boom, stopped. If they put their stop here, stopped out. And if they put their stop here, stopped out. But that is pretty much like how we executed today. Main confluences were high time frame bullish. We're literally at all-time highs. So there's literally no reason for me to really look for a short, or not even look for not for a short, but like be confident within a short. Just because of like the bullish trend that we're running in. And next confluence was obviously a liquidity sweep. We had a 50-minute imbalance to the far left. We had a breaker structure to the upside here. Respect equilibrium here. Broke structure to the upside again from here. Tapped into this fair value gap as well as discount and bullish candle out. Pretty standard for my entry. But yeah, that is pretty much it and how we executed. Managed to secure 1, 2, 3 take profits before we would have obviously been stopped at break even. And as you can see, if you watch GER-30 now, we're trending to the upside. Kind of. Meaning that our bias on the market today was actually correct. Like we could have found a short-term like sell, like somewhere within here. But I like to play with the extension moves, like the bigger moves. I like to try and catch those. And it's not all the time you catch them, but when you catch them, you catch them. But yeah, so hopefully you guys learned something from this win and even my loss that I took on Tuesday. So I'm slightly in profit this week, live trading. As you know, like I lost like 0.5% last week, and now I'm up like 0.6, 0.7%. Just trading obviously today. So yeah, pretty much I'd say break even week. I'll take it. Better than a losing week. And yeah, that's pretty much it for me, boys. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. If you have any questions about like my execution again, just leave a comment below, and I'm more than willing to answer. All right then, I'm gonna leave it here, boys. Take it easy. Peace.